Welcome to Learning to Engineer. In this video, we will see some basic questions that we have in the concept of operational amplifiers. We will see what an operational amplifier is, the equivalent circuits, and some Viva questions to answer in this topic. We will be asked to design a low pass filter circuit, high pass filter circuit, and many other applications of operational amplifiers. And when we are trying to do the experiment, we need to have a clear understanding about this topic in order to proceed with the practical examinations and hence answer the Viva questions also. So, few questions that we will be discussing today is why is an operational amplifier generally based in common emitter mode? Why can't it be in common collector or common base mode? That's the first question. Next is, we have to match these both transistors. These both transistors has to be matched in order to be used in a differential amplifier configuration, right? So, why should it be matched? What will happen if this is not matched? Third thing is about common mode rejection ratio. Let's get started. An operational amplifier is a device which operates in differential mode of operation. We can take a BJT for it or a MOSFET or any device which is capable of acting as a difference amplifier. Both these transistors has to be matched because only when we are matching these both transistors, the base currents would be the same and the gain of this is also the same. So, that's the primary reason why we are matching this amplifier. Say for example, this is not matched, the voltage that is supplied as Vout1 will be different from that of Vout2. Ideally, Vout1 should be the negative of Vout2 and that is the primary objective of an operational amplifier. What an operational amplifier does? It can be used in different ways actually. One of them being when we are supplying a positive non-inverting input and an inverting input into this operational amplifier, we will get a different signal or the common signal will be suppressed and the difference of it will be amplified. That is the reason why we use an operational amplifier. This can be used in single input and single output mode or differential input and single output mode or single input and double output mode and differential input with double output modes too. You can also take both the values of output. One will be the positive and the other one will be a negative. So this is the advantage of using an operational amplifier. To use this amplifier, we need two inputs. One is this set, which is the base supply that we are sending into the non-inverting terminal and the inverting terminal, and next is the plus VC. What is the difference between them? Both are supply voltages, but what is the difference between them? This is called as operating input and this is called as the supply input. If we are going to calculate the difference of these two voltages, you will be supplying it in the plus and minus terminal. In order for the operation to happen by this BJT or this MOSFET, we will be using this plus VCC and minus VEE terminal and they will be there to have a basic voltage to have a smooth functioning of these two devices. Consider the case of mobile phone. There will be a battery inside the mobile phone which will act as an operating input to our mobile phone. Say we are talking to our friend over it. The voice signal that we are talking will be the supply input because the objective of the phone is to transfer the message from one phone to the other phone. This will be the actual input that will be supplied to the system as a whole. But for the system to operate, we have a battery, right? That input is the plus VCC and the minus VEE terminal. Our next question is, why should we use these transistors in common emitter mode? Why can't we use them in any other modes? This is because only in common emitter mode, the VO and the VI or the supply and the output voltage will be 180° out of phase with each other, which is one of the motives of having an operational amplifier. This cannot be possible in any other modes. So we use it in common emitter mode. We just saw some basic idea about operational amplifiers in this video. In the next video, we'll see the detailed working of this amplifier. What is the equivalent circuit? Yeah, this is the equivalent circuit where we use both these transistors in the positive and the negative terminal. We will see how matching of transistors helps us in achieving our motor. Thanks for watching. To let me know your thoughts about this topic, or if you have any topic to be featured in this channel, you can write to learningtoengineer@gmail.com, or you can just type that down in the comment section. Thank you.